We all have ambitions, and Natana of grade 3. My ambition is to become a teacher. Why do I want to become a teacher? Well, teachers are like superheroes. They help us discover our talents and learn new things. Being a teacher is not just about teaching lessons. It's about shaping young minds and making learning fun. As a teacher, I can make a difference in many lives. I will teach children how to read, write, and understand the world around them. Being a teacher is not just about teaching lessons. It's about shaping young minds and making learning fun. Remember, it's okay to dream big, whether you want to become a scientist, artist, or a doctor. Believe in yourself and work towards your goal. Thank you for listening to my ambition. I'm excited for the future and ready to chase my dreams. Thank you.